In this video, you will learn how to host a website on Ionos. Log into your Ionos account, go to the Ionos website and sign in with your credentials. To log into your account, choose a hosting plan. Select the hosting package that fits your website needs. This could be shared hosting or WordPress hosting. Register and connect your domain. Either register a new domain through Ionos or connect an existing domain that you will already own. Then set up your website. Use the Ionos website builder or WordPress installer or upload your own file via FTP to start building your website. Configure the DNS settings. Ensure your domain is linked to your hosting by checking and updating your DNS settings if necessary. Publish your website. Once everything is set up, publish your site so it can go live and be accessed online. Now you know how to host a website on Ionos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.